Hey guys, welcome back to the 5-Star channel. Every once in a while there's a tool that comes along that just has me feeling like because Greenworks tool 80V Pro 18-inch chainsaw, I'm excited about it today, guys. I just wanted to show it to you just as an unboxing. Of course, we got another charger with it and a battery. You can buy the tool just by itself. You can get it in an 18-inch or 16-inch. But I just wanted to show you how this is just a game. Greenworks is just a game changer for us. We're progressively phasing out our 2-cycle gas equipment in exchange for these battery-operated tools. The lithium technology is phenomenal. But without further ado, let's check out the unit. Of course, you got the chain brake. You do have to apply oil to this. It's the only thing that takes oil, but you have to put some oil in here. You know, the bar oil for the chain. And basically, it's just a you just take the battery. And it's just you just turn it on and you just get going. I mean, it's that simple. Put the battery in, hit the on button, there you go. And then you're just ready to roll. Super quiet operation. Feels amazing. The grip is absolutely phenomenal. It's a rubber grip. You got rubber grip in the front. Absolutely just phenomenal tool, guys. Now, let's see what it can do. All right, guys, today we are at Higher Caliber Tree Services Company shop to use this location to test out the Greenworks Pro 18-inch battery-powered chainsaw. Without further ado, let's get to cutting some wood. What you think, Clint?
Let's do it.
Let's get to some cutting. All right.
Cutting. I want to see some chips fly.
Clint with Higher Caliber Tree Service. Located in the Charlotte, North Carolina area, if you need tree service, Higher Caliber Tree Service is your company. If you need firewood, give them a call. They even deliver. Fully licensed and insured. I highly recommend Higher Caliber. They do an amazing job every time. All right, guys, without further ado, let's get to testing this Greenworks Pro 18-inch chainsaw and see what it can do. Let's check out the cutting speed, how fast it can cut, and what kind of power does it have. Let's go ahead and take a look at that now.
Ready?
Ready.
3, 2, 1, go. 22.92, so almost 23 seconds. I hit it right on. That's a good guess.
Wow.
Good guess.
That's impressive, though, for battery power.
That is definitely impressive.
That's impressive. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed that video. on the Greenworks Pro 18-inch chainsaw from Greenworks. Check these guys out. I put a link in the description with relevant details to save you some time if you're researching to buy another saw. I've been a die-hard gas tool fan for a long time, and for the last 14 years in this business. And guys, times have changed. I mean, the customers love how quiet these tools are. You don't even have to wear ear protection, really. I mean, it's the battery life is phenomenal. The duration of the tool use is great, and the power is equivalent to gas. Absolutely game changer for us. Check these guys out. Make sure to hit that subscribe and that like button. I'll see you guys on the next video. Have a 5-star day.